Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Temu account online on your phone or your Android device. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Temu account on your phone, first download and install the Temu app on your phone. I've already downloaded it, and after downloading it and installing it on your phone, simply open the Temu app. And over here guys, this is the home page or the home section of the Temu app. Now in order to log into your Temu account on the app, you can see the U button available for us at the below side of the screen. You can see there are a lot of buttons: home, categories, U, and the cart. In order to log into your account, first tap on the U or the sign in button available over here where it says the sign in for best experience. But guys, this tab where it says the sign in for best experience will not be available for a long time, so let's tap on the U section first. And over here guys, on the U section at the top of the screen, you can see the sign in / register button for us. In order to log into our account, first let's click on the sign in / register. And on this page guys, you can log into your Temu account or the Temu app with your Google, Facebook, or your Twitter accounts. If you click or tap on any of these three buttons, a login page to your Google, Facebook, or Twitter will open, and if you log into your respected accounts, then you'll be signed into your Temu app with these three accounts, either of these three accounts. And with that being said guys, let's enter our email address with which we had created an account on the Temu. And a thing to know guys, if you have not signed up for a Temu account, just by entering your email address over here, if you have already signed up, you'll be directed to the if you have already signed up, you'll be redirected to the login page. If you have not signed up using this email address or your phone number or any credential, you'll be taken to the registration process. And with that being said guys, I've already signed up for an account, so tap on continue. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your password. And after that, you can tap on sign in guys. If you have forgotten your password, simply click or tap on the forgot password button over here to go through a procedure to reset your Temu account's password. And with that being said guys, let's tap on the sign in. And you can see guys our account name at the top of the screen, and which means we have already signed into our Temu account online. And there guys, this is how you sign into your Temu account online on your phone on the Temu app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.